हेलो फ्रेंड, आज मैं आपका दोस्त आकाश आपको एक बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर क्लास 8 चैप्टर 16 लाइट कवर करवाऊंगा। वी विल कंप्लीट दिस चैप्टर इन 4 to 5 parts, and this is a very easy chapter if we learn it from our heart. So let's start this chapter. The first topic of this chapter is what makes things visible. Can anyone answer it? If yes, now write it in the comment box. Okay. I think the main answer of this will be I. 90% of the students will tell this answer, but they are wrong. Light makes things visible. Now, some students will say, how? I will tell this in later. Now, let's have an activity to prove this. Let's, in a dark room, here, as it is also written in latest edition of NCERT, in a dark room, if there is an object near us, we didn't see that object. But when light is switched off, whether it is of bulb or natural, we can see an object, but not in the dark room. As this, we know from this, the light makes things visible. Because if eyes makes the thing visible, then we also had the eyes in the dark room, but we can't see the things there. Now let's discuss the topic loss of reflection. I will tell a separate video for each activity and discuss that activity there. But now I am only discussing the basic information of the complete chapter. Now we have a mirror. This my mirror A, and a ray of light is falling on it at this point and reflecting back. This ray which is reflecting back is called reflected ray, and this ray is called incident ray or ray of incidence. Now this point where the incidence ray is meeting the mirror is called point of incidence. Okay, and now I'm moving ahead. We have discussed and an imaginary line perpendicular to point of incidence is called normal, often named as n. And first law of, now we are discussing the first law. First law says that it's my mirror. This my ray of incidence, reflected ray, and this the normal. I will name it I, this n, and this r. the angle between normal and incidence ray angle I, and this angle R between ray R and N, both are equal. As in a simple form I can say angle I or angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, angle R. And second law states second law we will discuss it here. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie in a same plane. ये रट्टे मारने की चीज़ें होती है, तो फिर आप बस इन्हें याद कर लें। मैं इनके पीछे का रीज़न मेरी आगे की वीडियोस में दूंगा. It is only the basic information video. I am repeating it again and again. So let's start the next topic. Here, this topic we have discussed angle I is equal to angle R, or we can say angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Here, this is the first law. If you write it as second law, then your marks will be deducted. Okay. Now, here also I am explaining it again. This is my mirror. This is incident ray. This is reflected ray. This is normal. And this angle both are equal. Now let's start the next topic. Here we will discuss these activities in another video. And this is the second law. The incident ray, normal and etc blah blah. As we have discussed it also, I will make a separate video on each topic also, and these activities I will discuss in a separate video. Now, what's the regular and diffuse reflection? First, we will discuss the topic regular reflection. As it is here, regular reflection is a reflection in which when a parallel rays of light fall on a smooth surface, as mainly it is said to be mirror, the reflected rays are also parallel. This is the regular reflection, and regular reflection happens when the surface is smooth surface like mirror. Okay, now let's discuss the topic irregular surface or reflection. Here the surface is irregular. I think that I should teach it in. Here the surface is irregular, and when parallel rays fall on it, here these are parallel rays falling on it, these reflected rays are not parallel. As here the black light which represents incident ray are parallel, as here it is shown, but reflected rays are not parallel. Okay, now let's start. This topic is also basic information is done. This is very easy topic, and that's all for the day. I will make short videos so that you can understand it easily. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Right. If I completed this, I will give you a big prize. That's a secret. If I completed 10,000 views of my channel, I will give a special prize to my subscribers, as I have list of all my subscribers. So bye bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you liked this video, so also comment hooray in comment box. Thanks.